Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Manish Singh. So today we'll study about the redox reaction of 9th igcse chemistry. So topic name is oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Right. So term we are knowing here is oxidation. So first we'll discuss about the oxidation. So simple oxidation means addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen. So look at the example. So when we burn the magnesium element in presence of oxygen, then it is called oxidation. Here oxygen is added to the magnesium. Mg is your magnesium and O2 is oxygen. And MgO is called as magnesium oxide. So now we have to balance the reaction. Why? Because law of conservation of mass should be valid, no? So here one magnesium, two oxygen, here one oxygen. So I will put here 2. So then magnesium become also 2, no?
Yes.
So this is called oxidation and balance we have done. Understood? Next comes the reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Simple meaning is addition of hydrogen is called reduction. So see here, suppose nitrogen I am taking and I am reacting nitrogen with hydrogen and it is forming ammonia NH3. So it is called reduction, no? Because hydrogen is added to the nitrogen gas. N2 is called as nitrogen gas and H2 is called as hydrogen gas. Understood? Now balance the reaction. Here 2 nitrogen, so we need here 2 atom of nitrogen, so I will put 2. Now hydrogen become 2 into 3 is 6, so I have to put here 3. Understood? So this is the reduction reaction. Next comes when both happening in one reaction, that is called redox reaction. Redox reaction. So redox reaction means red means reduction, ox means oxidation. So in a reaction when both happen simultaneously, then it is called redox reaction. Suppose here copper oxide reacting with hydrogen and forming copper and water. So see which one is doing oxidation. Hydrogen is added with oxygen, so it is your oxidation. Understood? And oxygen is removed from copper, so it is called reduction. So it means one more definition of reduction is when removal of oxygen happens, then it is called reduction. Removal of oxygen. In the similar manner, in other word, oxidation is also defined when removal of hydrogen is done. Removal of hydrogen. Then it is called as oxidation. Understood? So in this reaction both happening simultaneously, then it is called as redox reaction. So we will see another example more. So next example is when calcium is burning in presence of oxygen, so it is forming calcium oxide. Understood? So we are balancing here, so I have written here 2 because oxygen is 2, so I will write here 2. So calcium is also become by 2 now. So this is your calcium, this is your oxygen. Calcium, this is your calcium oxide. Understood? So see here. So calcium is combined with oxygen. So this is your oxidation. And this one is lost is
reduction.
So it is your reduction. So both happening in the same reaction. So it is your redox reaction. So right up to this point. Pause. So we'll see the redox reaction by electron transfer now. Redox reaction by electron transfer. By electron transfer. ठीक है? So see, magnesium is your metal. Atomic number is 12. So electronic distribution is 2, 8, 2. So when it lose the 2 electron from the last orbit, it will form Mg2 plus, and 2 electron is lost. Right? So it got the positive charge due to proton is 12 and electron is 10. Right? Before losing the electron, electron is 12 and proton is 12. Both are 12. So electron charge having negative and proton having positive charge. That's why there is no charge assigned to the magnesium before the loss of the electron. Understood? After the loss of electron. So loss of electron in chemistry is called oxidation. So magnesium has done the oxidation, right? By losing the 2 electron, it has got the positive charge. Understood? Now in the similar manner, oxygen, atomic number is 8. So electronic distribution is 2, 6. So we need 2 electrons to complete its octet. So it will gain the 2 electron 2 minus. It will form O2 minus. Now 2 electron is added. Here before gaining the electron, it has 8 electron and proton is also 8. After gaining the electron has become 10 and proton has become 8. Understood? So electron is more in number, so we have assigned 2 minus. Understood? So this is called gain of electron. Gain of electron is called reduction. Understood? So now we'll add the both reaction. So in first oxidation is happening and in second reduction is happening. Understood? So when we are adding, these 2 electron will get cancelled because this is on the product side, this is on the reactant side. Now add both Mg plus O, it will form MgO. Why? Because Mg2 plus, here Mg2 plus will cancel the O2 minus. So compound form is magnesium oxide. So here magnesium is also 0, oxygen is also at 0 state, right? But we can't take reactive atom as a single atom, so we'll write here O2, right? So magnesium is your element, it can find in the free state, but oxygen atom cannot find it free state, so it will form O2. Understood? So your reaction will be MgO. So we need to balance the reaction. I will write here 2 for balancing the oxygen.
And then 2 over.
So I will write here 2 also. Understood? So now your reaction is balanced. So this is called redox reaction because here oxidation state of magnesium is 0, oxygen is also 0. But in this form, combined form, magnesium having charge is +2 and oxygen is -2. Understood? So this is your called redox reaction because in this reaction both oxidation and reduction happens simultaneously. So right up to this point, this is due to the electron transfer. ठीक है? दूसरे तरीके से कैसे समझेंगे? देखो, मैग्नीशियम के लास्ट ऑर्बिट में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 2. टोटल एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? 12. तो फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है ना. In second orbit 8 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. बराबर है? So it has 3 orbits ना, 8, 2, 2. So in second orbit, last orbit, 2 electrons are there. If I remove these 2 electrons, so it have only 2 orbit now. So after losing 2 electrons, so 2 orbits are there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? And 2 electrons are removed. समझा? So it has got positive charge, Mg2 plus. Here magnesium, there is no charge. Neutral charge is there. neutral charge. समझा? In the similar manner, oxygen having atomic number 8, 2, 6. Two orbits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons in the last orbit, and first orbit 2 electrons are there. So we are adding 2 electrons here in the last orbit, in the second orbit, no? So 8 electrons will become now in the last orbit. Before 8, it is having 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are adding 2 electrons. So it will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. समझा? 2 electrons are there. That's why we are writing O2 minus. समझा? Okay. यहाँ तक लिख लो, फिर आगे समझेगा. अभी नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे redox reaction with oxygen. Redox with oxygen. ठीक है, तो इसमें एक एग्जांपल दिया है कि अगर सोडियम को क्लोरीन गैस के साथ रिएक्शन कराऊंगा तो NaCl बनेगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 2 क्लोरीन है तो बैलेंस करेंगे तो यहाँ पे 2 लिखूंगा तो 2 सोडियम होगा. बराबर है. तो देखो इसको अगर मैं अपने तरीके से समझाऊं ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन करके, तो सोडियम का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है? 11 है. 2, 8, 1. ठीक है. सो लास्ट ऑर्बिट में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, सो इट विल लूज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो इट विल फॉर्म Na+ एंड 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इज आउट. समझा? लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज कॉल्ड so sodium is doing oxidation now and forming the cation, and it has electron now 10 and proton is 11. In the similar manner, chlorine, it will gain 1 electron, atomic number is 17, 2, 8, 7. It will gain 1 electron and form Cl minus. Understood?
Yes.
So but chlorine single atom is not present. It combined with another atom and form chlorine gas. Because chlorine having 7 electron in the last orbit now.
Okay.
It will share 1 electron to form the chlorine molecule. Cl2. That is called Cl2. It is called chlorine molecule. Understood? And this is your lone pair. Lone pair. Can clear? So I will write here 2. So it will become chlorine gas. Chlorine gas. And it will gain the 2 electron. Understood? Na? Then it will form 2 atoms of chlorine. Because 2 chlorine is there, no? समझा? यहाँ तक clear है?
हाँ.
Okay. Now add the reaction. Both. It has gained the electron, so it is called gain of electron. So gain of electron is called reduction. Understood? So here 2 electron is there, so we need here 2. So what I will do? I will multiply this whole reaction by 2. So it will become 2. 2 and 2. Now you can cancel the electrons. At the left hand side, so left hand side is 2Na plus Cl2. It forms 2 NaCl. 2Na, 2Cl. Understood? So it is your 2Na plus and 2Cl minus. So this whole reaction is called redox reaction. This addition of oxidation and reduction is called redox reaction. This is your redox reaction. Or in chemistry it is also called as net reaction. Net reaction. Write it down up to this point. Next topic is oxidation number, page number 76 है IGCSE बोर्ड का, Cambridge IGCSE and O level. Next is ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में ओएस बोलते हैं। तो ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर जो चार्ज असाइंड होगा कोई भी एटम के ऊपर उसको ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर बोलते हैं। ठीक है, इसका डिफिनेशन क्या बोला है? हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ईच एटम ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन हैज लॉस्ट, गेन और शेयर इन फॉर्म अ कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर। हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ईच एटम of an element has lost, gained or shared electrons na in a compound. यहाँ क्लियर है? तो देखो ग्रुप 1 का जो एलिमेंट होगा वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज करेगा, तो उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या होगा? 1 होगा। ग्रुप 1 इसके लास्ट ऑर्बिट में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा, मतलब बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना होगा? 1। ठीक है, तो इसमें कौन कौन से एलिमेंट आता है? हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रांसियम। याद कैसे करेंगे? हे लीना के रब से फरियाद। कैसे? Hey, do you know how to read Hindi? No? I will write in English then. Hey, Li, Na,
तो सेम ही हो गया।
के रब से फरियाद। Understood? So H4 hydrogen, Li4 lithium, Na4 sodium, K4 potassium, Rb4 rubidium, CS4 cesium, Fr4 francium. Understood? So how to get the next atomic number? So there is magic number to get the next atomic number: 32, 32, 18, 18, 8, 8, 2. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 8 is 19 plus 18 is 37 plus 18 is how much? Now add 55. 55 plus 32 is 87. Understood? So in group 1, one electron in the last orbit, it will lose one electron, so it will form plus 1. So group 1, 2, 3 do loss of electron, so it will lose one electron. Lithium electronic distribution is 2,1, so it will form one electron, and oxidation state is here 1. In a similar manner, sodium will also do 2,8,1. So it will lose one electron. So it will form Na plus, one electron is out. Potassium is 2,8,8,1. Understood? So it will lose one electron, it form K plus. So in your syllabus, up to potassium is there. So for higher class like 11, 12, you will study about rubidium, cesium, francium. Understood? In the similar manner, for the group 2, valence electron is 2. Valence electron is 2. Understood? So it starts from beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. समझा? B4 beryllium, Mg4 magnesium, Ca4 calcium, Sr4 strontium, Ba4 barium, Ra4 radium. Understood? So we'll get the next atomic number by same tricks. So how will write the tricks? 32. So beryllium atomic number is 4. Now add with the horizontal line and get the next atomic number below 1. So 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 8 is 38. So in your syllabus up to calcium is there. So do that electronic distribution. So it is 2, 2. So it is forming B2 plus and 2 electron is out.
Lost.
Magnesium 12. So it is 2, 8, 2. So it will form Mg2 plus and 2 electron is out. Calcium is 2, 8, 8, 2. No?
Yes.
So it will lose the 2 electron from the last orbit and form plus 2 of calcium. So valence electron of group 2 is 2 and valency is also 2 or oxidation state. So valency is also called as oxidation state. It is having plus 2 in the oxidation in the group 2. Understood?
Yes.
So right up to this point, then we will study next. Next, see the group number 13. So in 13, valence electron is 3. So if they start from group 13, so it is boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. So how to remember it? Bagan, aloo, gajar in thala. Bagan, aloo,
Aloo double O.
gajar in thela. Understood? So get the next atomic number. So it is 32, 32, 18, 18, 8, 8, 2. Boron atomic number is 5. So B for boron. Al for aluminium. Ga for
Gallium.
gallium. In for indium. Th for thallium. Understood? Okay. So now I will distribute the electrons. So 5 electron is there. So it is 2, 3 up. Aluminum 13. So it is 2, 8, 3. They get the next atomic number. How to get? 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 18 is how much? 31. 31 plus 18 is how much? 49. 49 plus 32 is 81. So in your syllabus, up to aluminum is there. So distribution of electron is done. So lose the electron from the last orbit. So 3. So it will form B3 plus and 3 electron is out. Aluminum. So it will lose the electron.
Aluminium
So it is
3+.
forming Al3 plus 3 electron is out.
Yes.
So its oxidation state is 3. Of which group? Group 13. Oxidation state is 3. Of group 13. Valence electron is 3. Understood? So next group is 14. So its valence electron is 4. So it starts from kahe Sita ji suno Prabhu. Understood? So follow the same pattern. 32, 32, 18, 18, 8, 8, 2. Carbon atomic number is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 18 is 32. 32 plus 18 is how much? 50. 50 plus 32 is 82. So up to carbon only we have in the syllabus. So distribute the electrons. So it is 2, 4 and it is 2, 8, 4. So it is difficult to lose the 4 electron, right?
Yes.
And gain the electron. So if you lose the electron, it will get 4 plus and 4 electron is out. And it can also gain the electron. So it will fall 4 minus. C4 minus.
But 1, 2 or 3 electrons lose you again or something.
Yeah. So it is difficult to lose now. That's why I am telling now. So it is difficult. So I am just writing it for your confirmation. So how to remember? Kahe Sita ji suno Prabhu. Kahe Sita ji suno Prabhu. Understood? So C for carbon, Si for silicon, G for germanium, Sn for tin, Sn for LD means lead, Pb means lead. Understood? So next comes under the group 15. Group 15. Last orbit electron is 5. That is called valence electron. So it starts from Nepal, Pakistan, Australia, सब बिगाड़े. Aim for nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So how to get the next atomic number? Follow the same pattern, or you can write directly also. This is 14. After 14 group comes group 15. So if it is 6, then it is 7. It is 14, then it is 15. How much? 32. So this must be 33. This is 50. So it is 51. Bismuth, it is 82. This is 83. Understood? Okay. So distribution of electron is 2, 5. So its valence electron is 5. I have already written. It will gain the 3 electron. So it will form 3 minus. So its oxidation state is -3. Or it is called valency. Understood? So gain the 3 electron P. So it is forming P3 minus. So write up to this point only. So now we'll see about the group 16. So it starts from oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. स्टाइल ओल्ड स्टाइल से टीपो, मतलब पुराने तरीके से नकल करो. O for ऑक्सीजन, S for सल्फर, Ac for selenium, T for tellurium, PO for polonium. Right? So how to remember the next atomic number? By following this magic number: 32, 32, 18, 18, 8, 8. To oxygen atomic number is 8. So now add 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 18, 34. 34 plus 18 is how much? 52. 52 plus 32 is 84. Understood? So it has 6 electrons in the last orbit. That is called valence electron. So it will gain the 2 electrons. So electronic distribution is 2, 6. It is 2, 8, 6. Understood? It will gain the 2 electrons. And it form O2 minus. In the similar manner, sulfur 16, 2, 8, 6 na. So it will gain the again 2 electron and form H2 minus. So you have to remember up to sulfur. This is in 12th standard. Next come group 17. 7 electron in the last orbit, that is called valence electron. Valence electron. Understood? So this family is called halogen family. Halogen family. It is also represented by X. So it starts from fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and stantine. So you have to remember up to iodine. So how to remember? फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. Understood? So how to calculate the next atomic number? By same tricks. Understood? So fluorine atomic number is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 18 is how much? 35. 35 plus 18 is 53. 53 plus 32 is 85. So distribute the electrons. So it is 9. So it is 2, 7. So it is 2, 8, 7. So it will gain 1 electron and form F minus. Why? In last orbit electron is added now. So it is 2,8 now. So electron is
Reduction.
10 and proton is 9 only. No? So electron is more, so it will get negative charge. So it is doing gain of electron now.
Reduction.
That is called reduction. So in the similar manner, chlorine also gain the electron, so it forms Cl minus. Bromine also gain the electron, so it is Br minus. Before minus, it is called fluorine, and after gaining the electron, it is called as chloride. This is chloride. This is bromide. Iodide. Good. तेज हो गई. Iodide. So right up to this point, then we will do group 18. So next we will study about group 18. Group 18, valence electron is 0 and valency is also 0. Why? Its octet is complete now. No need to gain or lose the electron. So it starts from helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Ag for helium, Ne for neon, Ar for argon, A krypton, xenon, radon. So how to remember it? हेना, नेहा और करीना की जेरोक्स कॉपी रानी. How to remember? हे ना, नेहा और करीना की जेरोक्स कॉपी रानी. Understood? So how to get the next atomic number? 32, 18, 18, 8, 8, 2. Helium atomic number is
10.
2 plus 8, 10. So you can see here, its octet and duplet is complete now. 10 plus 8 is 18. So it is 2, 8, 8. So in the last orbit 8 electron is there. 8 plus 18 is how much? 36. 2, 8, 18. 36 plus 18 how much? 54. So it is 2, 8, 18, 8. Or 18. Understood? 18 now. So radon 54 plus 32 is how much? 84. Understood? So its oxidation state is 0. Understood? So let's see the example. Suppose I am taking the example of Fe plus S. It is forming FeS. So in free state, oxidation state of any element is 0. In free state, oxidation state of any element is 0. In the similar manner, sulfur also oxidation state having 0 charge or 0 oxidation state. But in combined form, sulfur having -2, that's why it is having also +2. If you are not getting this way, then you can calculate by using solving method. Fe plus S overall is 0. So Fe having oxidation state -2, so Fe you will get as +2. Understood? In the similar manner, next example is when ammonia react with HCl, so it is forming ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. So in ammonia, hydrogen having +1 oxidation state, so we will get by calculation nitrogen having -3 oxidation state. How to calculate? NH3 overall is 0, so N 3 hydrogen atom equal to 0, so N plus 3 minus 1 equal to 0, N minus 3 equal to 0, so N equal to +3. So in HCl, chlorine having -1 oxidation state, hydrogen having +1 oxidation state. But in combined form, chlorine having -1 no. Why? It is coming from group 17 no. Group 17. Group 17 oxidation state is -1. And hydrogen having +1. Nitrogen having, you can calculate it. How much it is? -3 only no. So we'll get here -3. If you are not getting, I will calculate for you like NH4Cl. 1 nitrogen, 4 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. Overall is 0. Hydrogen is +1, chlorine is -1 equal to 0. N plus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. N plus 3 equal to 0. So N is having -3 oxidation state. Understood?
Yes.
So please write this example and this group 18. Write it down fast.